Namaste everyone, Namaste Praveen. Enjoy this video, and if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe. And guys, we are also offering our online and our offline courses. उससे related जो भी detail है description के अंदर आपको link मिल जाएंगे. Please check our all the online offline courses. So thank you so much and enjoy. Namaste to all of you and welcome in our today yoga class. So let's start with the relaxation first. Everyone sit comfortably in any position. Your spine straight and your eyes closed. कमर एकदम सीधी. Just be relaxed and be calm and be present in the class. Three times Om chanting. Everyone inhale and now start. Inhale. Inhale. Rub your both palm. Make a heat. हथेलियों को रगड़िए. Place your palm on your eyes. Relax your eyes and relax your mind. Gently open eyes and look up at your palm. Smiling face and then just relax. So let's start with the neck movement first. Everyone inhale. Slowly, धीरे से look up. Exhale, slowly look down, chin to the neck. Inhale, look up, धीरे से slowly. Exhale, look down, chin to the neck. Inhale, look front. Exhale, turn your head on the right side. Inhale, center. Exhale, turn on the left side. Inhale, center. Exhale, turn on the right side. Relax your shoulder. Inhale, center and exhale, turn on the left side. Inhale, center. Exhale, drop your head on the right shoulder and your left shoulder down. Inhale, center. Exhale, drop your head on the left shoulder, your right shoulder down. Inhale, center. Exhale again on the right shoulder. Inhale, center and exhale, same on the left shoulder. And now relax everyone. Open your arms your shoulder level. Inhale, exhale, drop your left hand down and your right arm straight over the head. Remember, push your right knee down. Stay here, stay कीजिए. 1, breathing. 2, a little keep your chest out. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, same another side. Drop your right hand down and left arm straight over the head and look up. Breathing. 1, 2, 3. Suck your belly inside. 4, 5 and 6. एक बार फिर once again. Inhale, come back. Again left side. This time drop your left elbow. Left elbow गिरा दीजिए and then right arm straight over the head. Remember your right shoulder, elbow align and then look up. Also try to push your right knee down. 1, breathing everyone. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Good. Inhale, come back. वापिस आइए धीरे से. Exhale, another side. On the right side, try to drop your right elbow and then left arm straight. Any student finding difficulty, so you can put some block or the pillow under your right elbow. 2, breathing. 3, keep pushing the left knee down. 5 and now 6. Good. Inhale, come back. Exhale, now relax. Your left hand on the back and then right hand up. Inhale, stretch your right arm and exhale, then bend on the left side. जाइए left की तरफ. Come on. Keep pushing your right knee down. Stay. 1, breathing. 2, suck your belly in. 4, 5 and 6. Good. Inhale, come back and exhale, then relax. Other side the same. Right hand on your back. Left hand up. Inhale, stretch your left arm and right shoulder down. And with the exhalation, slowly bend on the right side. जाइए, try to do not sink your neck. 1, breathing. 2, 3, stay. 4, breathing. 5 and now 6. Good. Inhale, come back. Exhale, then relax. Open arms again. So now left hand on the right knee. We'll change a little bit. Right hand up. Inhale and try to stretch your right arm. Exhale, then bend on the left side again. Try to your both arms should be straight. Do not bend. 1, focus to push your right knee down. 2, inhalation, exhalation. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax. Now another side. Right hand on your left knee. Left hand up. Inhale, same. Stretch your left arm. Exhale, bend on the right side. Same thing, remember. Ear and bicep together. 1, breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, then relax your both hands. And from here, place your both hands behind of your hip. दोनों हाथों को hip के पीछे ले जाइए. And after, push the palm or you can use arch of the fingertip. Inhale, everyone lift your spine. Exhale, push your chest front, drop your shoulder and look up at the ceiling. Shoulder sink नहीं करना आपको. Do not sink shoulder. Shoulder away from the ear. 1, 2, awareness in the opening your shoulder and upper back. 4, 5 and 6. Good. Enough. Inhale. Exhale. Palm on the knee. Squeeze. Suck your belly. Look down. Beautiful. वापिस आइए. Come back. In this time, प्लेस योर बोथ आर्म्स फ्रंट साइड, सामने बिल्कुल ऐसे, योर शोल्डर रिस्ट अलाइन, बिल्कुल सीधे, आर्म स्ट्रेट. इनहेल एंड नाउ ओपन आर्म्स. व्हेन यू एक्सेल, drop shoulder, look up, give a opening in the shoulder upper back, open your lungs, open your heart. Inhale, come back, and with the exhalation squeeze, suck your belly, look down. Second time, inhale, open your arms, come on. Exhale, drop shoulder and look up. Inhale, come back, and exhale, squeeze, suck your belly, look down, नीचे देखिए. And now relax. Inhale and exhale, relax your both arms, everyone. Very basic routine. Open arms, your shoulder level first, and now make a rotation, your arm rotation. 2, 3, make a big round. 4, 5, do with me. 6, relax your face. 9, and then 10. Come on, anti-clockwise, opposite side. दूसरी तरफ. 3, धीरे धीरे कीजिए, भागना नहीं है आपको. 4, जल्दी जल्दी नहीं करना. 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more. 9, and then 10, and then relax your both arms. Might be you're feeling a little tired with the shoulders, just a little relax. And after, I will take you back again in the side bending. So again, both arms up, finger lock and palm facing up. ऐसे रखना आपको. Stretch your arms. Inhale, exhale, bend on the left side. Stay कीजिए. 1, breathing. 2, stay, head in between arms. 3, कीजिए. 4, 5, 6, वापिस आइए. Inhale, come back. Exhale, same bend on the right side. Sink नहीं करना है ऐसे. Do not be sink your spine. It should be straight. Then try. 1, breathing continuous. 2, you can down more. 4, you can down more. 5 and 6. Good. Inhale, come back, and exhale, bring your both arms down, everyone. So we will do a little change again for the shoulder and your upper back opening. आपको नमस्ते मुद्रा करना है पीछे से. You have to make the namaste from your back side. I'll show you. You have to make namaste, open shoulder and drop your shoulder. Maintain this position. If any student cannot, so you can hold your elbow like this. Come on, try any one position, and then give the opening in the shoulder. Drop shoulder, lift up spine and look up. Breath कीजिए continuously. Inhalation, exhalation. 3, 4, keep lifting spine. 5 and 6. Good. Inhale and exhale. Try to bend down. Remember, suck your belly in, lengthen spine. धीरे धीरे, slowly bend down. जितना आप जा पाए. शोल्डर को लूज नहीं करना. Open shoulder. 1, 4, 5, 6, and then relax. Inhale, come back. Exhale, then relax your both arms. Done. हो गया. Relax कीजिए. Relax everyone. Relax it. And then keep your both legs straight. Legs straight कीजिए. Relax everyone. Spine straight and move your legs. धीरे धीरे. And make a little gap. थोड़ा सा gap रखिए अपने पैरों के बीच में. And toes in, out. ताकि आप अपने legs and hip में movement दे सके. The movement should be coming from your legs and the hip. Spine को sink नहीं करना. Always keep it straight. Continuous. Okay, done. Legs together. Toes facing point. Flex your feet. Toes facing point. कीजिए. Flex your feet. Do with me. Rotation. Ankle rotation. मेक श्योर योर स्पाइन स्ट्रेट, उसको बेंड नहीं करना आपको. एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, अपोजिट, धीरे 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 धीरे. ओके गाइस, डन. एंड देन कम इन द बटरफ्लाई. सम बेसिक प्रैक्टिस. होल्ड योर फीट. हाँ, ईयरफोन यूज कर. कंटिन्यूस स्विंग योर नीज, swing your knees, swing your knees. Remember, when you start, so it should be little slow, especially if someone have a stiffness in the hip and someone is a very beginner. तो आपको ऐसे जल्दी जल्दी नहीं करना है. Do not do it fast. धीरे धीरे कीजिए, slowly, gently. And once you feel enough warm up, you are feeling enough flexibility, then you can be little bit increase the speed. Relax, 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 continuous, continuous. Okay guys, now palm on the knee and slowly, धीरे से push करना अपने knee को नीचे की तरफ. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a very basic routine. You all can practice. So whatever the practice we are doing today, so this practice you can do every day also. कीजिए कीजिए. And now stay there first. Everyone inhale. Spine को lift कीजिए, ऊपर lift lift and exhale. Slowly try to bend down. Remember your spine straight and then hip down, knee down and then try to be bend down. जाइए जितना आप जा पाए. Any student they feel they not touch the floor, अगर वो नहीं टच कर पा रहे हैं तो you can be use the block like here. 4, 5 and then 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, then relax. वापिस आ जाइए. Bend your both legs here, your knee and feet together. I'll give you your whole body practice, means your whole body routine practice, you can say. Bend the legs, put your arms behind of your hip. हथेली पीछे की तरफ. टेबल पोज. इनहेल, ओपन शोल्डर, प्रेस द पाम. पाम को पुश कीजिए, स्पाइन को लिफ्ट कीजिए ऊपर की तरफ, शोल्डर को ओपन कीजिए एंड विद एक्सेलेरेशन ट्राई टू लिफ्ट योर हिप. एवरीवन मेंटेन योर शोल्डर टू रिस्ट अलाइन, योर नी टू रिस्ट अलाइन. स्टे. 1, 2, ब्रीथिंग. 3, कीजिए कीजिए, अप 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 अप. 4, wrist pain, shoulder pain, neck pain, please do not do it, वो avoid कीजिए. And then one more practice now. Everyone try to raise your heel. अपनी heel उठा लीजिए. Come on. AD को उठाइए, AD को उठाइए. And same practice, keep lifting up. 1, come on, come on, come on. 3, be strong. 4, 5, up more, up more, up more. And then 6, inhale, come back, exhale, push your hip down. Everyone आ जाइए वापस. एंड इसके बाद हग टाइम. जस्ट ट्राई टू बेंड योर लेग्स एंड हग योर नीज एंड प्रेस योर नी टू द चेस्ट. हग कर लीजिए जोर से. हग कीजिए, हग कीजिए. अपने आप को भी हग करना चाहिए कभी कभी. हग कीजिए. वेरी गुड. एंड देन बोथ पाम साइड ऑफ योर हिप, थोड़ा सा पीछे की तरफ कीजिए. शोल्डर रिलैक्स, पुश स्पाइन बैक and both legs up. Everyone उठा लीजिए and flex your feet now. Come on, very nice practice for your core strength or your leg strength. 1, 2, lock your knee. Come on. 3, 4, 5. Everyone. 6 and then your both hands up. Come on, stay. Opposite board. 1, 2, contract your core. 4, हाथ नहीं लगाने अपनी legs को. 5, 6. Anyone has a back pain, so they can relax your hands and then relax and once again come back in the butterfly position. वापिस आ जाइए butterfly के अंदर. Now I will take you back again. This time make a finger lock. Very routine practice. Inhale, open shoulder and with the exhalation then try to be bend down. Everyone जाइए, कोशिश कीजिए. सेम ऑप्शन विच आई गेव यू लास्ट टाइम, जो मैंने लास्ट टाइम ऑप्शन दिया था आपको, आप वो ट्राई कर सकते हैं ब्लॉक के साथ. इफ़ यू आर नॉट एबल टू टच तो आप ब्लॉक यूज़ कर सकते हैं ऐसे. 4, 5 and 6. आ जाइए वापस. Inhale, come back. Exhale. Now relax everyone. Bend your legs and keep your both legs straight. Relax कीजिए. Move it, move it, move it. Good. Just a basic warm up, some basic sequence. Nice. And then put your right foot with your left inner thigh. जो आपका राइट लेग है उसको बेंड कर लीजिए. राइट फुट विद योर लेफ्ट इनर थाई. Yes. So firstly we will be try this sequence with some forward fold, with some twist and with some shoulder upper back opening. So here inhalation, both arms up, and exhale. Try to be bent down. Hold your left foot, flex your foot, and then try to touch your left leg. Any student, if they cannot, so आपके पास towel होगा या आपके पास strap हो सकता है. You can be use that. Remember, your spine should be straight. ऐसे sink नहीं करना spine को. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Good. Inhale, come back, and with the exhalation, both arms behind your hip. दोनों हाथ पीछे, hip के पीछे. The like we did table pose, जो हमने table pose किया था, same routine उसी base पर. Inhale, lift your spine, and with the exhalation, try to lift your hip. Hip उठाइए, 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 and then little hip out and drop the head. Stay कीजिए. 1. Make sure your arm should be straight. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Good. Inhale, come back slowly. धीरे 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 वापिस आ जाइए and come back. Now we'll be try with the one twisting posture. Bend your right leg. Simple. Bend the right leg. Nice. And right leg को cross कर लीजिए left leg के साथ. Cross your right leg with the left leg. So here, right hand near the hip, पीछे, and drop your left elbow on the right knee. So देखिए इसमें बहुत सारी options आपके पास होंगी. If someone is a beginner, so they can simply practice that. Even still difficult, आप उसको यहाँ hold कर लीजिए. And another practice, you can be hold the leg here. Or still someone they feel they can do more, a bit more than that. So you can even take your left hand under the right leg and you can hold your right wrist from the back side and then twist look back. कोई भी एक modification you can be choose as per your flexibility level. Stay कीजिए. 1, 2, even here or even here, all are fine. And then relax everyone. वापिस आ जाइए. Come back. And now we'll practice the half lotus posture. Right leg on your left upper thigh. ऐसे ऊपर लेके आ जाइए. Good. If someone have a ankle pain, knee pain, so they please avoid and they can repeat the last time जो हमने किया था. और still difficulty, stiffness के कारण हो सकता है, so you can take block under the knee. So this is the one option. आप देख लीजिए जैसे आपको comfortable feel लगे. So same thing, both hands up. Inhale and exhale. Bend down. Hold your left foot, flex the foot, and then try to touch your left leg, everyone. Same thing you have, you can be hold the foot, you can be bend down, you can hold the wrist, or even somebody feeling more flexibility they can, so they can use the block in this posture also. Inhale, come back, and exhale, relax, everyone. So the last practice in the same sequence, you have to be try, put your left leg on your right leg. So this is the complete lotus posture, everyone. Complete Purana Padam Asana. Remember, if someone is having the knee pain, ankle pain, please avoid it. नहीं हो पा रहा, it can be maybe hip stiffness के कारण नहीं हो पा रहा, so please avoid it. You can put the leg under the hip. So first stay in this position, push the knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we will practice the Yoga Mudra. So Yoga Mudra how? आप पीछे से ऐसे wrist पकड़ लीजिए. Hold the wrist from back side. हाथ को उठाना नहीं है, just you have to put the hands down. Inhale shoulder away from the ear, ऐसे नहीं रखना, shoulder away from the ear, and exhale, slowly try to bend down, and hip नहीं उठाने आपको, do not lift the hip, knee भी नहीं उठाने, do not lift the knee, and slowly bend down, bend down, bend down, bend down, drop the head down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, come back and exhale, relax. अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ, not finished yet. We'll go only the last practice. एक last practice करेंगे. So this posture we will be combined with a little arm strength. So both hands side of your hip. We say the Utthit Padmasana. We say the lifted lotus pose. So first option, if you can, then lift the knee, palm, and then try to lift the posture. Come on, try. Shoulder, keep lifting away from the ear. Any student they feel they cannot, so you can literally lift the knee and hands on the knee. आप ऐसे भी इसको hold कर सकते हैं. Try anyone. 3, come on. 4, strong arm. 5, you have to be carry your own body weight. अपना ही weight उठाना आपको. 6, and then relax. Okay, done. हो गया. Relax everyone. Relax कीजिए. Move your legs. Move it. So now the same sequence will try another side. It's a very basic routine. आज का जो routine है आप अपने घर पर भी इसको practice कर सकते हैं. Now left foot with your right inner thigh. I'm not putting something very intense. Basic things जो आप easily कर पाए. Left foot with your right inner thigh. So हम उसी routine को follow करेंगे. Both hands up. Inhale. Exhale. Bend down. ध्यान दीजिए. Stomach first on the thigh, then chest, and then chin, nose, and forehead. जाइए नीचे. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale. Come back. Exhale. Put your hands behind of your hip. आप arch of the fingertip use कर सकते हैं. You can use the palm. जो भी आपको ठीक लगे. Whatever make you feel comfortable. Inhale. Lift your spine. Open shoulder. And with the exhalation, just try to lift your hip and drop the head. Come on. 1. Breathing, wrist pain, shoulder pain, please avoid. 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, come back, and exhale, then relax. A very nice opening in your arms, shoulder. Then bend your left leg, everyone. Left leg bend कर लीजिए. And cross your right leg. Good. And drop your right elbow on the left knee. So you all knows the all modifications. Remember, आपको हाथ उतना ही रखना है जितना आप अपनी स्पाइन को ठीक स्ट्रेट कर पाए. ऐसे सिंक नहीं करना स्पाइन को. Your spine should be straight. Shoulder also should be aligned. एक अलाइन में रहेंगे. आपका knee, left knee, shoulder, head align. 4, breathing. 5, options you know, here, under the leg, anything. And then 6, वापिस आ जाइए, come back, and then left leg on your right upper thigh. हम दोबारा से आ गए हाफ लोटस पोज अर्ध पद्मासना के अंदर अदर साइड से. ध्यान रखिए आप कोई भी प्रैक्टिस करें तो उसके अंदर आपका जो अवेयरनेस है मोर फोकस ऑन द ब्रेथ. कोई भी आप मूवमेंट करते हैं चाहे आप पोस्चर में जाने की, आने की, रुकने की, ब्रीथिंग इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट. कम ऑन, बिकॉज यू नो बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं कि दैट इज द सेम इन आसना एंड इन द एक्सरसाइज. अजय अजय अजय, both hands up. Inhale and exhale, then try to be bend down, everyone. Hold the right foot, flex your foot, and then try to touch your leg. Same thing you can be hold the wrist, you can be use the block, so whatever make you feel good. 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Good. Inhale, come back, and exhale. Now relax. Good. And then we'll practice the complete lotus posture, everyone. So this time the right leg on your left upper thigh. आइए, रिमाइंडर सेम रहेगा, नी पेन, एंकल पेन प्लीज टोटली अवॉइड। हिप स्टिफनेस के कारण नहीं हो पा रहा है, बिकॉज ऑफ द हिप स्टिफनेस यू आर नॉट एबल टू डू, तो लेग को नीचे की तरफ रख लीजिए। सो फर्स्ट सिंपली स्टे कीजिए, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and then 10, and after just hold the wrist from behind, योग मुद्रा पोजिशन। रिमेंबर जब आप पोस्चर में जाए ना, आपको शोल्डर को ऐसे गिराना नहीं है नीचे की तरफ, ऐसे नो, इट शुड बी अवे फ्रॉम द ईयर। इनहेल, एक्सेल, देन ट्राई टू बी बेंड डाउन, जाइए, स्टे कीजिए, सक योर बेली इन, 2 3 4 5 and 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, now relax everyone. Keep your both legs straight and then relax your both legs. आ जाइए। And now relax. So we'll be continuous with our next routine. So that will be in the half side split routine. Will combine with some gentle side bending practice. You can easily practice it. So right leg inside and left leg straight on the left side. कीजिए। Yes. You all come and then open arms your shoulder level. हाथ खोल लीजिए। Inhale, exhale, left hand behind left leg. ध्यान दीजिए, left foot should be flexed so that you can be lock your knee. Right arm straight, spine sink मत कीजिए. Keep the chest out, chest out, chest out, and look up. Neck, गिराना नहीं है neck को, just straight it. 1 2 3 4 5 and then 6. आइए वापस, inhale, come back, exhale, relax. Second practice with the both hands. Both hands से थोड़ा सा intense हो जाएगा. Inhale and exhale. Come on, bend on the left. Stay कीजिए. 1, breathing. 2 3 4. Come on, come on, come on. 5 6. Inhale, come back and exhale. Then relax your both hands, everyone. So this time we will also try the one posture that we say the compass pose. It's a very easy, don't worry. I will give you the some modification, some option in this. तो इसको हम करेंगे, पहले आपको लेफ्ट लेग को बेंड करना है इस तरीके से, कीजिए मेरे साथ। सो लेफ्ट हैंड अंदर से, अंडर द लेफ्ट लेग. So you can be try beginner, they can be hold the big toe, right? You can be lift leg straight and then keep the chest out like here. If you have more flexibility, आप ankle hold कर सकते हैं directly like me. And now the same, lift the leg straight first, and then you can be try chest out. You can be straight. Now the option 3, अगर किसी को लगता है कि आप ये भी नहीं कर पाएंगे, तो यू हैव स्ट्रैप है आपके पास टावल हो सकता है, तो यू कैन बी टेक द स्पॉट विद दैट एंड देन ट्राई द सेम प्रैक्टिस हेयर, बिकॉज दिस पोस्चर इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ योर शोल्डर ओपनिंग, योर अपर बैक एंड योर स्पाइनल ट्विस्ट एंड योर हैमस्ट्रिंग. डन हो गया. नाउ ट्राई अदर साइड. कम ऑन, इनफ. राइट लेग स्ट्रेट ऑन द राइट साइड. आ जाइए. रिलैक्स रहिए थोड़ा सा. गॉट इट? कम ऑन अगेन. ओपन आर्म शोल्डर लेवल. इनहेल, एक्सेल, राइट हैंड डाउन एंड लेफ्ट आर्म स्ट्रेट ओवर द हेड. लुक अप. 1, ब्रीथिंग. 2, chest out. 4, 5, 6, relax. Inhale, come back. वापिस आइए. Exhale, relax. And now both hands up. Finger lock. Palm together. Inhale and exhale. Come on. Bend on the right side. जाइए. 1, breathing. 2, arm straight. Bend नहीं करना हाथों को ऐसे. It's a very common mistake. 3, come on, down more. 4, थोड़ा और जाइए. 5 and 6. Inhale, come back and exhale, then relax your both hands. So अभी हम third practice में जाएंगे. Will we do the third practice? Third practice will be bend the right leg. So जो हमने left से किया था same practice which we did from the left side. Now we'll practice on the right side, and after this I'll give you the relaxation. So bend the right leg, right hand under right leg. So you all knows all the three options you have. You can hold the big toe, you can hold the ankle, or even you can use the strap. जो भी आपको ठीक लगे कीजिए कीजिए कीजिए. You can also try with the strap. 1 2 आप करते रहिए आप करते रहिए. 4 5 6 7 and then relax. Okay, आ जाइए आ जाइए आ जाइए आ जाइए आ जाइए. तो आपको इसी रूटीन से इसका प्रैक्टिस आपको करना है. सेम वे whatever the modification, why we are giving the modification हम क्यों देते हैं? ताकि आपसे अगर पर्टिकुलर कोई प्रैक्टिस नहीं हो पा रहा, इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू डू पर्टिकुलर सम प्रैक्टिस, तो आप दूसरे प्रैक्टिस पर चले जाइए. वो भी नहीं हो रहा तो आप तीसरी पर चली जाइए. ये नहीं कि आपसे हो नहीं पा रहा फिर भी आप उसके साथ आप फाइट कर रहे हैं, जबरदस्ती कर रहे हैं. सो दिस इज नॉट द वे ऑफ डूइंग द योगा प्रैक्टिस. तो इसका आपको हमेशा ध्यान रखना है. कीप योर बोथ लेग स्ट्रेट नाउ. just few more practice, then I'll give you some relax. Come on, बैठिए बैठिए. Lazy नहीं होना. Spine straight. Here we go the twisting left and the right side. Only 4 time repetitions. Open arms. Inhale. Exhale. Turn on your left side. Palm aligned. Push your hip down. Inhale. Come back. Exhale. On the right side. Inhale, come back. Exhale on your left side. Inhale, come back. Exhale on your right side. Inhale, come back and exhale, then bend forward in the Paschimottanasana. जो हमने शुरू में किया था सेम थिंग यू हैव टू बी फॉलो. स्पाइन को सिंक नहीं करना, इट शुड बी स्ट्रेट. कीप पुशिंग द लोअर स्पाइन इन एंड देन धीरे धीरे आपको पोस्चर में जाना है. इवन हेयर और इवन यू कैन बी टच द लेग, और इवन यू आर ए बिगनर स्टिफनेस, सो यू कैन बी ट्राई विद द स्ट्रैप और विद द ब्लॉक. बट प्रैक्टिस आपका ये रहेगा, ये प्रैक्टिस नहीं होना चाहिए आपका. गॉट इट? एंड नाउ रिलैक्स एवरीवन. Okay, one more practice. Just one more. Come on. Open legs your sidewise. आ जाइए, सभी आ जाइए. It's a very basic routine. आप खुद भी कीजिए, अपनी फैमिली को भी करवा सकते हैं आप. ठीक है? तो धीरे धीरे आपको ये मूव करना है. हिप मूवमेंट आपको देना है ये धीरे से. Means your lower body movement. ऐसे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. इनफ हो गया. गॉट इट? एंड नाउ हेयर लेफ्ट लेग को बेंड कर लीजिए अंदर की तरफ. कीजिए 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 कीजिए, सभी कीजिए. एंड देन जस्ट टर्न ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड. लेफ्ट की तरफ आ जाइए. पिजन पोज. सिंपल बेसिक पिजन पोज. आइए. गुड. कोशिश कीजिए, यू हैव टू बी ट्राई टू पुश योर स्पाइन बैक. पीछे लेके जाना आपको, ये नहीं करना. करो कोशिश. इफ समवन फीलिंग डिफिकल्ट, अगर किसी को मुश्किल लग रहा है तो आपके पास ब्लॉक है, पिलो है, सो यू कैन पुट द ब्लॉक और द पिलो अंडर योर फ्रंट लेग थाई. वो इजी हो जाएगा आपके लिए. एंड देन पुश द स्पाइन बैक. कीजिए 1 2 3 4 5 6. वापिस आइए. इनहेल, एक्सेल, देन बेंड डाउन. जाइए. एवरीवन कैन डू. 1 2 ब्रीथिंग. 3 हिप डाउन. 4 5 6. आ जाइए वापिस. इनहेल and exhale and then just change your position another side. आइए. Our all practice in a one flow. एक फ्लो के अंदर हम प्रैक्टिस कर। गुड, टेक योर टाइम, जल्दी जल्दी में नहीं करनी कोई भी प्रैक्टिस आपको, धीरे धीरे प्यार से, ताकि आप अपनी प्रैक्टिस से कनेक्ट हो पाए। कीजिए, एंड कनेक्शन इज द अल्टीमेटली एम ऑफ डूइंग योगा। कीजिए, 1 ब्रीथिंग, 3 स्पाइन को लिफ्ट कीजिए एंड पीछे की तरफ पुश कीजिए, लिफ्ट अप द स्पाइन एंड लिटिल पुश द स्पाइन बैक साइड एंड देन रिलैक्स, इनहेल एंड एक्सेल, देन बैंड फॉरवर्ड। जाइए नीचे, जाइए 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 जाइए, स्टे कीजिए, 1 2 3 4 5 एंड नाउ 6। आ जाइए वापस, इनहेल, कम बैक, एक्सेल, रिलैक्स एंड नाउ 1 मोर टाइम, ओपन लेग्स साइड वाइज। आ जाइए, जस्ट लास्ट 1, इसके बाद रिलैक्सेशन। श्योर, एंड मूव योर हिप अगेन, ओनली 10 टाइम्स, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 एंड 10। ओके, डन। हम यहाँ तक आ ही गए हैं, सो लेट्स गो 1 मोर टाइम द पिजन पोज, राइट? एक बार और प्रैक्टिस करें, या एवरीवन कम ऑन। अगेन लेफ्ट लेग, मूव ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड। आइए वापस, गॉट इट? सो दिस टाइम यू हैव ए ऑप्शनल प्रैक्टिस। हमने फर्स्ट वो ऑप्शन हमने किया, सेकंड प्रैक्टिस विल गो in the king pigeon. You can be hold your right foot. First you can try with a one hand like here, one hand on the knee, one hand up, both hands. So this is the one practice. If some student they find they are nearby, वो नहीं कर पा रहे, it can be because of the shoulder stiffness के कारण वो हो सकता है। So do not worry, हमारे पास बहुत सारी options है। So you can take the towel or you have a strap, उसको ऐसे ले लीजिए, got it? और जो पीछे का जो लेग है उसको ना बाहर नहीं लेना, थोड़ा अंदर की तरफ रखिए उसको। यस, एंड देन ट्राई एंड देन ट्राई टू स्टे। 1 2 3, नेक को ज्यादा सिंक में नहीं करना आपको। 5 and 6, enough. Inhale and exhale, just one time, bend forward. 1 2 3 4 5 6, enough. आइए वापस, and now another side। आइए, दोबारा से आ जाइए, कीप स्माइलिंग फेस, थोड़ा मुस्कुराते रहा करो। कम ऑन, बेंड द लेग्स, सेम प्रैक्टिस। सो फर्स्ट यू कैन बी ट्राई with directly with your hand and then try. Cannot, so you have the strap or the towel, so you can be practice with that. Come on, आप करते रहो, good. 4 5 6 7 8 9 and then 10. Okay, done, हो गया। and one last time, third time, ये वाला सबसे लास्ट रहेगा। आइए वापस, लास्ट टाइम, ट्रस्ट मी, ये लास्ट वाला रहेगा आपका। कीजिए once again 10 times. Move your hip, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and now 10. Okay, done. Now I'll give you 1 minute relaxation in the child posture. Keep your legs together, bend your legs, and everyone come in the cat pose. Little open the knee, push the hip down, stretch your arms, stretch your spine, and then slowly bend down. Stay there just for the relaxation, only for a 1 minute.